If you want to use ChatGPT like system for your work or learning free for lifetime, then just go to LM Studio, download it for your machine, and once it is downloaded, just open it, go to search, write DeepSeek, and select DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion parameter. Click on install. Once the system is installed and ready, you can just write anything and it will give you a better response than ChatGPT. This is when you want to use in a windowing GUI based environment. But if you like a command prompt kind of system, just go to Olama, click on download, open your command prompt, type Olama run DeepSeek R1, enter, and it will